Hello student, standard 7th English medium, exercise 4.1 question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So in this question students, adjoining given that the value of the variable, and if we put the value in this equation, then we get the solution of the equation, then it is said to be a solution of the equation. So let me see. First a, n plus 5 equals to 19. So starting from n plus 5, and it is right hand side, so it's a left hand side. Then if we put the value in this equation, variable n is 1. So putting this equation in left hand side, n plus 5 means 1 plus 5 equals to 6, but in right hand side it is given that 19. So LHS and RHS both are not equals, because here if we put the value in this equation, then its answer becomes 6, and here already it is given that 19. So LHS and RHS both are not equals to. So that's why n equals to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Now same like that in B, left hand side equals to 7n plus 5, and we have to put the value in the variable n equals to minus 2. So if we put in this equation n equals to minus 2, then it's become 7 to the 14, it's a minus 14 n plus 5. So the answer is minus 9, but it's already given that in right hand side in question minus 19. It means both are not equals. So LHS not equals to RHS. So n equals to minus 2, it's not a solution of the given equation. Now after that, C, in the question C, it is given that 7n plus 5 then equals to 19. So if we put the in LHS left hand side in place of n 2, so 7 to the 14 plus 5, so 14 plus 5 equals to 19, and it is already 19. So both are equal. It means LHS equals to RHS. So therefore we can say that n equals to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now number D. So 4p minus 3 equals to 13. Now here we have to put the value of p equals to 1. So if we put the value in this equation 1, so 4 1 ja 4 minus 3 then equals to 4 minus 3 means 1 answers come, but in the given question it is given that 13. So both are not equals. So here we can say that LHS not equals to RHS. It means p equals to 1, it's not a solution of the given equation. Then after 4p minus 3 equals to 13. So here it is given that the value of p is minus 4. Now if we put in this equation value of p is minus 4, so 4 4 ja 16, and already it's given minus 3. So minus 16 minus 3 equals to minus 19, but in the question it is given that 13. So 13 and minus 19 both are not equals. So here we can say that LHS not equals to RHS. So it is RHS, and what we have to find, it's LHS minus 19. So after that we can say that the value of p is minus 4, it's not a solution of the given equation. And afterward last 4p minus 3 equals to 13. So from starting from the left hand side 4p minus 3, put the value p equals to 0, So here it is 4 into 0 means 0 and minus 3, then the answers become minus 3. Now here it is given that 13, but after putting the value we get the minus 3. So LHS not equals to RHS. So we can say that P equals to 0 is not solution of the given equation.